Hey guys, today we are looking at this compact portable power station. It packs a massive 146 Wh capacity to charge your laptops, phones, and drones anywhere. You get two AC outlets, fast USB ports, and a DC car port for total versatility. Recharging is easy using a wall adapter, car charger, or solar panel. The included 5-watt LED bulb features adjustable brightness and color modes for any setting. A clear digital display keeps you updated on battery levels and output status at all times. Grab yours for reliable emergency power and outdoor adventures today. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.